Hello friends, today let's see how we can easily make a healthy rice-based super breakfast Idiyappam and its good combination a simple and tasty potato stew. Idiyappam is a popular South Indian breakfast. We can make it very easily if we follow its cooking method in a proper way. Today I will share with you all how I make this soft and tasty Idiyappam and the easy simple potato stew. Let's begin with making the Idiyappam first. Here I am using 1.5 cup of roasted fine rice flour. Now we can place a kadai on the stove and pour 2 cups of water in it. Add salt and oil in it and allow it to boil very well. When the water starts boiling, simmer the flame to low and add the roasted flour slowly into this. Mix continuously till the flour becomes completely wet. Now turn off the flame and cover it with a lid and allow it to rest for few minutes. At this time, we can get one more glass of boiled water which we require while we knead the dough to a soft and smooth form. After 2 minutes, by looking into the consistency of the dough, we can add the third glass of water. Now mix it very well till the dough is almost formed. Now cover it with a lid and allow it to cool a little because we need to knead it very well with our hands. We can open the lid after some time. Once you are able to handle the dough by hand, knead it nicely for 1 to 2 minutes. For that, we need to grease our hand with some oil first. Continue kneading till the dough turns soft and smooth. Then only the pressing will be an easy task. Now we can transfer this dough into another bowl. See the dough? It became perfectly soft now. Now we can cover this with a wet cloth and allow it to rest for few minutes. Now we can grease the Idiyappam mold and idli plates with oil. Better use gingerly oil as it helps to release the dough from the Idiyappam mold easily. Meanwhile, we can boil some water in the idli steamer. Now we can fill the Idiyappam mold with the dough and then tighten with its top cover. After that, put some grated coconuts on the top of the idli plates, but this is purely optional. Now we can turn the rotator steadily and pipe the noodles in a circular motion into the idli plates. We need to fill all the idli plates in the same way. When the water starts boiling, carefully insert the idli plates into the steamer. Cover the lid and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Don't overcook it because it becomes hard and rubbery. After 5 minutes, turn off the flame and open the lid. Check whether it is cooked properly. Now we can carefully remove the idli plates from the pan. Once it gets cooled down, transfer it into a serving bowl. See, it is well cooked and it is very soft. Now we can quickly start making the potato stew. For this we need 1 cup of potato which are peeled and roughly chopped, 1 cup of onion chopped as small pieces, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 2-3 green chilies slit open lengthwise, 1 cup of thick coconut milk. If you have coconut cream, then dilute it with water until you get this much consistency. 2 sprigs of curry leaves, and finally water for cooking. Now we can add all the ingredients into the pressure cooker along with salt and half cup of water. Now we need to pressure cook it for 2 to 3 whistles. If you like to get a thick gravy, at this stage you can mash some of the cooked potato pieces. Add coconut milk into this and mix well. Place the pressure cooker on the stove and allow it to boil. When it starts boiling, immediately switch off the flame. Check the taste at this point. Now we can add curry leaves and drizzle some coconut oil on top of it. So here comes the simple and tasty potato stew, ready to be served with soft and fluffy idiyappam. So thank you friends. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. See you soon with another interesting recipe. If you have not subscribed my video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.